let us see how we can attend to this question with our calculator or our four-figure table. Then we can proceed from there. Question 1 says sine 60 is equal to 1 over 4x, and we are solving for x, solving for x, solving for x, solving for x. Yeah, this is just normal. This is just normal equation that is how we are going to attend to it. So let me see if I can continue my solution here. I have sine 60, which is equal to 1 over 4x. So sine 60 is 0.8660. I think we should use calculator, or you prefer we use short form. No, let's use calculator. So sine 60 here is equal to 0.8660. Don't forget the same thing as cos 30. So we have equals to 1 over 4x. So if I cross multiply, I will have 4 into 0.8660 equals x. So I will have 4 times 0, then we have that is 24, that is 20, then we have 26, then this is 32 plus 2, that is 38, that is 3.8 equals x. So if you are sending these to 3 significant figures, we have 1, 2, 3, we have 3.86 is equal to x. That is what we have here. So we move to question 2, that is B now. We have 2 cos 200 is equal to x plus 3. Here, we did not use quadrants here because this is actually on the first quadrant. So, but this 200 is on third quadrant. Third, yes, we have this on the third quadrant. So from here, we will use our third quadrant. Third quadrant is theta minus 180. Do you remember? Theta minus 180. And cos, if you go by our all students, allow students to cooperate or to coordinate. Allow students to coordinate. That's ASTC, our allow students to coordinate. So we can have on third quadrant, it is tangent that is positive, so definitely cos is negative. So we have minus cos 200 minus 180, which is equal to x plus 3. So we have 2, or let me bring my minus here, into cos 20 equals x plus 3. Of course, if you press cos 200 on your calculator, you will have negative, you have your answer with negative sign directly. You can check it. But from the four-figure table that I used, I'll have minus 2 into cos 20 gives me 0.9397 is equal to x plus 3 here. So I will multiply this one by 2, then I have this one times this. You have 14, keep 1. This one is 18 plus 1, that is 19. This one is 6 plus 1, 7. Then this one is 18. Then we have 1 point this. So negative is equal to x plus 3. So if I send this one to this side, I will have minus 1.8794 minus 3 is equal to x. So my x will be equal to minus 4.8794. So converting to 3 significant figure, we have 1, 2, 3. I have that is minus 4.8888. That is what I have here. No units. So that is to 3 significant figure. This also to 3 significant figure. So that is what we have there. So let's move to question 3. That's the third one. I think I can clean up to have a space. Okay, let me clean this part. Okay, so I will have that is C now. C now, we have tan 150 is equal to 1 over 2x plus 3. So don't forget tan here on second quadrant. This is 150 second quadrant. It is only sign that is positive there. So obviously your tangent is negative. So we have minus into, we have tan second quadrant, that is 180 minus theta. Don't forget we have 180 minus 150 is equal to 1 over 2x plus 3. And we have 1 minus tan 30 is equal to 1 over 2x plus 3 here. So I will have minus 0.5774 is equal to 1 over 2x plus 3. Please check calculator for this to confirm. So we can send this one to this side. I have minus 0.5774 minus 3 is equal to 1 over 2x. So I will have minus 3.5774 is equal to 1 over 2x. So let me clean this part. Sorry. Let me clean this. I've used this one. So let me finish this part. So we have, if you multiply, I will have x is equal to 8. This one is 14, that is 4, keep 1. This one is 14 plus 1, that is 15, keep 1. This one is 10. To the last question, sine 330. 330 is that is 330 is on fourth quadrant, and we have sine 330. So cos is positive on fourth quadrant. Obviously, sine is negative. So why are they all negative except for the first one? Well, that's the question. So we have minus into sine. Don't forget, this one is 360 minus theta. So we have 360 minus 330 is equal to 2 over 3x minus 2. So from here I have minus sine 30 here is equal to 2 over 3x minus 2. Fortunately, sine 30 is half, so we have minus 1 over 2 here is equal, or let me say minus 0.5. Let's go for decimal. We've been using it since. So we have 2 over 3x minus 2. So if I send this to this side, it will be minus 0.5 plus 2 now is equal to 2 over 3x. So from here, we'll have this one will be 1.5 is equal to 2 over 3x. So if I cross multiply, I will have 4.5 is equal to 2x. Then I'll divide both by 2 by 2. My x will be 2 in 4, 2. 0.2 in 5, that is 2 in 10, 5. That is all I have for that question. I want to give you classwork on this, so send it to my WhatsApp page. Let us discuss it. You can send it to the group to tell us you have done your assignment, so it will encourage other people who are yet to submit theirs to submit it immediately. So solve the equations for the positive value of theta less than 360. So you are